Welcome to my garden. Can you guess what it is time for? I did it. She sounds good.
Taking it to my mom. We weighed it. It's 12 pounds.
It is time. Isn't it? Oh, this is a yellow watermelon. It just busted open on me. It's a very... Look at it!
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! I want all of you to look at it!
Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got this watermelon cutter because it is cutting so flawless. All right. Yes! See how juicy this is. Ready? Thank you so much for following this watermelon journey with me. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.